Hello kids, how are you all? So, what do you think? What will we draw today? Oh, an apple. Yes, we will draw an apple today. First of all, make a very big C on the sheet. Now make it another side also. Yes, very good. Draw the stem and leaf of the apple. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Big eyes. Yay! Look at its cute smile. What a cutie. It's sketching time! Yay! Sketchy, sketchy! Like, subscribe, TOYTUBE. Uh-oh, very cute. First of all, take red color. We will fill red color. Do it very carefully. Yellow color. Do you know? Apple is very good for your health. Oh wow, our apple is going to be very colorful. Orange color. Like, subscribe, thank you. Green color. There is an ancient proverb which says, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So, if you eat an apple daily, you will stay away from the doctors and medicines. Green color. Try to fill the colors very carefully. Don't mix the colors. Uh-oh, coloring on the smile. Uh-oh. Pink color. Like, subscribe. TOYTUBE. Apple is very delicious. Blue color. You must eat an apple daily. Uh-oh, our apple is looking very colorful. Let's color the leaf of apple. Green color. Brown color for the stem of the apple. Let's color the eyes. Eyes are red in color. like, subscribe. TOYTUBE. Oh wow!